Season 3, 5 small books you can read in less than a day to transform your life and practice. Let me tell you, the future of chiropractic business is a way of the future. Look, if you don't understand how to run your practice, how to understand that but you succeeding and the chiropractic profession succeeding is going to alter the trajectory of humanity, then we're missing the opportunity that chiropractic has. And this is an incredible blueprint for changing the entire healthcare model by succeeding in chiropractic practice and understanding chiropractic practice in a way that allows us to become more influential and impactful. So I loved this book. I love the principles within it. Read it in less than half a day. You can read it in less than half a day too, because the small book phenomena is real and valuable and meaningful for you and your life and your practice.